Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've got the essentials ready: phone, Nexar app, and a formatted micro SD. First, plug the dash cam into vehicle power and mount it centered behind the rearview mirror. This gives a balanced field of view. Once powered, open the Nexar app and grant camera and location permissions so recording's attached to trips. Make sure auto record is enabled in settings. This starts capture the moment ignition or USB power is detected. If paired via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, confirm the app shows the camera online before driving off. Now refine how the Nexar records so your footage is useful. In the app, choose 1080p at 30 fps for a balance of clarity and file size. Higher settings increase storage and battery use. Adjust impact sensitivity so only meaningful events trigger emergency clips, and enable loop recording to overwrite oldest files automatically. Once done, toggle cloud sync and decide whether to upload trips on Wi-Fi only. This preserves mobile data while ensuring critical clips are backed up. Finish by checking recorded trips and exporting any crucial footage. Open the Nexar app, review recent trips, and use the share/export function to save MP4s to your phone or cloud. If you notice dropped clips or corrupt files, remove and reformat the micro SD on a computer or swap to a fresh, high-endurance card. If the camera goes offline, make sure power and cable are solid, update the firmware through the app, and reauthorize permissions. These steps resolve most connection and recording issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.